Welcome to PLSQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about composite type collections in PLSQL block. PLSQL composite type collections. There are three types of collections. Number 1, nested table. Number 2, varray. Varray is bounded and fixed size value. It is indexed with start with 1 and varray is one-dimensional array and varray is null by default. And the last one is associated array. First we will give an example of varray. You can see the declaration section here which I just declare t list as a type and which is var binary or varray and its size is 5 of var 100. And after declaration of t list type, and then we must have to initialize it, and here we create a object or initialization here var list, and inside the begin and end we are populated some records to this var list. Here the value of t list here Apple, Microsoft, Oracle, Facebook and AWS. This is t list, and here we can see the 5 items because we have VRS size is 5. So this one is assigned to VRA list. And after we can see the line number 12. Here we just use fixed size of value, fixed size index. So here we can see the line number 14. Here we extract the value from VRA list by using index number 1, which is Microsoft, and the VRA list 2, which is Oracle. So and after this line we see the line number 17 here. By using loop, how do we traverse in our VRA list? So here I mistake something. Do not need this bracket. So this is loop, and here we traverse this loop 1 to 5, and here the dbms output, and we will access the VRA list by using for loop I value. So if I execute this one, here we can see the result of first one is Apple, Microsoft, and here 1 and 2 Apple and Microsoft, which is correct. And after, by using the loop statement, we can see Apple, Microsoft, Oracle, Facebook and AWS, which is from this section. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.